Right guys, this is a Toyota Prius 2009. It's gone for our 3-stage carbon clean, which includes the hydrogen cleaning, injector cleaning, and also a EGR and turbo chemical clean. Now, because it's a hybrid, the revs are up and down all the while because there's an eco mode on it, so if you just heard the revs go up and down, that's why. We've had to hold the revs on just to obviously keep the vehicle on, because again, it's a hybrid, so it cuts out because of obviously all the economical modes that are attached to this vehicle. Now, this vehicle actually had a EGR problem about 2 weeks ago, and the guy called out the AA. They turned the fault code off, recommended to get it sorted as soon as possible. He actually, a week later, he actually done a bit of research, YouTubing and whatnot, and he found how to access the EGR pipe. It wasn't the EGR valve directly, but he managed to get some cleaner in there and do a little bit himself. Then he's phoned us up a week later after that, and he's decided to go with a carbon clean, just to obviously prevent it, as a deeper clean, because the engine light's actually stopped off for 2 weeks now. So he's just thought, let's get it all sorted, get it flushed out, just to keep on top of it, just to make sure. So this is a 2009 Toyota Prius, and thanks for watching guys.